Hey guys, it's Megan. I just wanted to show you my Walmart Beauty latest in lips favorites, and this was $9.98 at Walmart, and pretty much all the products in here would be $9 on their own, so you're paying like way less than you would be if you bought them separately. It says in the corner it's valued at over $38, and it comes like this. And this is what comes inside of it. And the first thing is like an e.l.f. lip scrub. It's like an e.l.f. sugar lip scrub. Let's see if I can get it out while I'm filming. Sorry, I'm trying to do this with one hand. And this is what it looks like. And let me just... tastes really good. There's really no swatch. Here, let me see if I can do a swatch for you guys. It's just a clear... you can't even see that. But anyway, it's just a sugar lip scrub, and it tastes great. It tastes like coffee, actually. So that'd be a good treatment to put on under your lipstick. Then the next one is this Milani one. And I love this color. I love nude lipsticks and liquid lipsticks. Let me see if I can do a swatch of this. So this is just a swatch of the Milani. Looks really pretty. I love that. And this one is the L'Oreal Infallible. This looks like another nude color. And this is the Pro Matte. Let's see if I can do another swatch of that for you guys. I'm holding my camera. I'm not really big into mattes because they do tend to dry me out, but this one actually looks really shiny, and it doesn't look like it would be like really like drying. And then this one is the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink, and this is in the color 10 Dreamer. I still have that lip scrub on my lips, and it tastes heavenly. Like, seriously, it tastes like caramel macchiato, like from like Starbucks or McDonald's. Like, oh my gosh, that is really pretty. That's the Dreamer Superstay Matte Lip Ink. And then this is Hard Candy. I've never bought anything from Hard Candy, but this actually looks really good. This is the Plumping Lip Serum. Let me see if I can get you guys a good swatch. There's so much plastic on this. Hold on just a second. There we go. Sorry, I had to put you down for a second. This one is in the color Sugar Sugar. This one's just more of like a gloss, so this would make a great like lip topper. There it is right there. And this one I've seen a lot on Instagram. Ashley Graham's been wearing it a lot. This is the Revlon Plumping Lip Cream. Hold on just a second. I think it's so awesome. You get all these products for $10. I mean, that's such a saver. I mean, that's better than couponing. I mean, you guys know I love my couponing, but for real, I mean, this is a great deal. And plus, it's like all new stuff. Hold on. I'm going to have to set you down for a moment because there's a ton of plastic on this. This looks really pretty too. This one looks a little bit creamier, but there you go, people. They all look fantastic. So if you like nudes and pinks, this is the way to go. Like I said, this was $9. It's a $38 value. You get to try all the latest and greatest in lip products, and I highly recommend it. So anyway, I also have this Walmart beauty box that I have not opened yet, and this one comes with a Found coconut sheet mask, a Vitalist Healthy Glow, it's like a cream highlighter, the Milani Make It Dewy setting spray, a hard candy highlighter, and then the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder and Precious Petals, which I already have, so maybe I'll put that in an upcoming giveaway. I do want to do a giveaway because I did hit over 280 subscribers. I'm sure I'm going to be hitting 300 soon. So anyway, that's what's in that one. And this was $9 as well, and this one's a $24 value. See it up in the corner there. But anyway, if you haven't gone to Walmart recently, I would go to the beauty aisle and definitely check this out. Wonderful deal. Almost $40. You can't beat that. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Sorry I had to do it one-handed with my cell phone. I really appreciate all the new viewers and new subscribers. It really means a lot to me. And I hope you guys are having a fabulous week and have a phenomenal weekend. Thanks. Bye.